Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the Bluedee PC Gaming Soundbar. You can get this product on Amazon for about $60. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is very positive. It's a nice looking soundbar, not too big and not too small. The soundbar comes with a 3.5mm audio cable, an AC adapter, a user manual, and a wall mounting guide card. All important buttons are located at the top of the soundbar, which makes it very easy to operate it. Setting up the soundbar and connecting it with a Bluetooth device is very easy and only takes a few seconds.
Bluetooth mode, pairing, connected, wired mode, Bluetooth mode, pairing, connected. Balance mode, bass mode,
I tested the soundbar for about 2 weeks and I think it's a very nice product. I mainly use it to listen to music and the sound quality is actually pretty good. It also looks very nice with the lights on. So if you are looking for a not too expensive, good looking soundbar with a decent sound quality for your PC or laptop, I would recommend the Bluedee PC Gaming Soundbar. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.